The new M4 chips with the Apple silicon is amazing. Quick functions are really convenient as well. And the keys feel great, smoother, faster, and a little bit more efficient. Join the OneTake.
Look, we tastemakers,
y'all already know, man. Yo. Hold up, peeps. Yeah. It's your boy, OneTakeJR, man, coming back to y'all with another video, dog. Y'all know what time it is, man. As you can see in the title and the thumbnail, I'm coming to y'all with a video today to let y'all know I do have the M4 MacBook Pro now, and this is just a smooth review in my personal opinion on the experience that I had with the MacBook so far. This is not a professional review or anything like that. I am big into electronics, but I'm just gonna give y'all a basic rundown of the M4 MacBook Pro that I have and my personal experience of it. And I've been telling y'all, I've been telling the OneTakeGang, man. If you already part of the OneTakeGang, man, I appreciate you. If you're not part of the OneTakeGang, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell noti, and join the OneTakeGang, man. Yeet. But I've been telling y'all there was a couple more things that I needed to add to the OneTake vlog kit to make pushing out content smoother, faster, and a little bit more efficient. And I have the M4 MacBook Pro, man, and that really helped. So I have the 14-inch M4 MacBook Pro. It has 24 gigabytes unified memory. It has 1 terabyte of storage. It has the 14 cores with the 10 performance cores and 4 efficient cores. I personally got the black version. I love dark colors, and the black just looks really nice to me. And it also matches my iPhone 16 Pro Max as well. The way these two blacks look exactly the same and they both have the same glare to the light is beautiful. I just love black. Everything about this MacBook Pro is great. It's fast, and I'm able to cut up my videos with no problem. The amount of brightness that the screen gets, making the visibility in any kind of lighting setting, is amazing. The touchpad is really responsive, and using the different trackpad quick functions are really convenient as well. And the keys feel great. I also love having multiple USB-C ports, and being able to connect the wireless mic to this MacBook is really convenient, especially for doing voiceovers, which is what I'm doing right now. I just connected my DJI Mic Mini to the MacBook, and I was ready for voiceover, man, to add onto this video. The power of this MacBook will be everything I need from convenience, mobility, and performance. The new M4 chips with the Apple silicon is amazing, especially when you're like me, coming from the previous generation MacBook. Before Apple silicon, having this M4 now is just amazing to me. My personal experience with this MacBook so far, man, has been smooth. My videos upload quick. I'm able to cut them up fast. They transfer fast. Everything is smooth. And like I say, so now that I have the M4 MacBook Pro, the DJI Mic Mini, the Osmo Pocket 3, I always carry a SSD. I got all of these things in one bag that I just take with me every day. So whenever I want to pull out my Osmo Pocket 3, do a video, get a vlog going, I can then sit down wherever I'm at, cut it up, and I can start to get content ready, man. And it'll be quick for me to upload and push out more content, man. This was just me giving y'all a basic rundown of the M4 MacBook that I have. I love this MacBook, and I think it's gonna be a great addition to my OneTake kit for me to start pushing out more vlogs for y'all, man. But I appreciate y'all coming by and checking this video out, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, join the OneTakeGang. And y'all already know, man. Hate me or love me, either way, still got feelings for me.
Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace. What would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through.